Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Eureka Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, a versatile spot cleaner perfect for tackling those tough stains and pet messes on carpets, upholstery, and even in your car. With its impressive 50.7-ounce clean water tank and 27-ounce dirty water tank, you can clean longer without interruption, keeping clean and dirty water separate for maximum efficiency. The 5.5-foot hose and 16-foot cord give you the freedom to reach those hard-to-access areas, making it perfect for stairs and tight corners. This powerful machine doesn't just stop at suction. It sprays, scrubs, and suctions to effectively eliminate a wide range of everyday messes. Plus, with the included cleaning solution, not only will you remove unsightly stains, but you'll also leave your space with a bright and refreshing scent. Whether it's stubborn pet accidents or common daily spills, the Eureka NEY100 has you covered with its high water return rate and deep cleaning capabilities. For those looking to purchase extra cleaning solution, simply search for B0B28NMBW2 to keep your spaces spotless and fresh. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.